everyone, welcome back to Just Recipes, the only channel dedicated to giving you clear, accurate ingredient lists for the meals you love. Before we dive into the recipe, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join our growing community so you never miss a recipe. Today's recipe is jollof rice with peppered beef, and this quantity will make 10-12 hearty plates of delicious jollof rice. For ingredients, we would be using 1.5 kg beef cut into medium chunks, 1 handful of chopped onion, half a thumb of fresh ginger, blended or grated, 2 cloves of garlic, smashed. 1 teaspoon thyme or a few sprigs of fresh thyme, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons crushed seasoning cubes, half cup of water. For the tomato base, we will need 9 medium tomatoes, about 600 grams, 3 large bell peppers, about 550 grams, 1 to 2 scotch bonnet peppers, adjust to heat preference, half of a small red onion, 1 whole bulb of garlic, a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Blend all together until smooth. For the rice, 6 cups of rice, about 1.2 kg, washed and drained, half cup of cooking oil, 1 handful of chopped onion, 1 12-ounce 327 grams can of tomato paste, 1.5 cups of blended tomato sauce from your pepper mix from earlier, 2.5 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon crushed seasoning cube, 1 tablespoon dried thyme, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 2 cups of beef stock from boiling the beef, 2 cups of water. Next is the cooking procedure. Step 1, let's prepare the peppered beef. Add the beef, onions, ginger, garlic, thyme, curry powder, salt, seasoning, and half a cup of water into a pot. Stir well and cook on medium heat until the beef releases its juices. Allow it to cook until tender, about 25-35 minutes. Separate the beef from the stock and reserve the beef stock for the jollof. Fry, grill, or air fry the beef until browned and set aside. Step 2, making the tomato base. Blend tomatoes, bell peppers, scotch bonnet, half onion, garlic bulb, and thyme into a smooth paste. Pour into a pot and cook on medium heat for 15-20 minutes until reduced and thick. Step 3, build the jollof sauce. In a large pot, heat half a cup of oil.
Add the chopped onions and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the tomato paste and fry for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring continuously. Add 1.5 cups of the blended pepper sauce, season with salt, seasoning cube, thyme, curry powder, and bay leaves. Allow it to fry until the oil begins to separate from the sauce. Step 4, cook the rice. Add the 6 cups of washed rice to the pot and mix into a part of the sauce. Pour in 2 cups of beef stock and 2 cups of water. Stir once, cover the pot tightly with foil and lid, and cook on low heat. Cook for 30 to 40 minutes, checking occasionally and adding small splashes of water only if needed. When the rice is tender and fluffy, turn off the heat, add the fried meat into the remaining pepper sauce from the rice and mix. Step 5, fluff the rice with a spoon and serve hot with your peppered beef, fried salad, or any side of your choice.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which recipe you'd love to see next on the channel.